HSSLC Science Examination. Next, Ibala examination. Next is Stephanie Wansopuro, securing 63.2% in the HSC Arts examination. Next is Rupali Nath for securing 60. Next is Samla. Now I would like to call
who have been awarded at the different levels for different subjects. I know today is a special day for all the awardees and also the parents. It's a difficult task to be at this level. Many of you must have lost lots of your sleeps, and at the same time the parents also must have worked very hard, spending energy, resources and everything to make children up to this level. Being a father, I could also experience the same. When we see our children are getting an awards, sometimes tears come from our eyes. So congratulations to the awardees and to the parents as well. I also would like to appreciate the organizer, Meghalaya Youth Congress, for organizing this program. I'm proud to see that the Youth Congress of today are very active, rather they are more active than the parents at PCC it seems. Be in press conference, be in terms of research, we have all quality, educated and hard work and dedicated workers in the Youth Congress as of today.
SLCE Science Examination 2022. Who secured 90